Let's get into it, man. Getting impatient. And we out. So the SRT is still at the shop. That should need a fuel pump. But the fucking guy at the shop, man, there's only one guy at the shop, so he can't get it done by himself right now. So we're gonna wait. Gonna see what happens. But right now the goal is to get a 335i and go full built, big turbo, 600-700 horsepower. Right now, we on our way to the fucking trenches. If you know, you know. If you're from Jersey, you know where it's at. We got a fucking Audi. We got it. Yo, fuck out the way, nigga. Let's go. We out. I'm gonna bully this nigga. You already scared, bitch ass nigga. Oh, you following me? Oh, I'm scared. Oh, nigga don't want no smoke. And this shit is stock, bro. It's not about how much horsepower you got, bro. It's all about the fucking driver. Right now I'm driving with one fucking hand, nigga. I need to replace the front fucking brakes and rotors for this shit. That's why I keep shaking like that. Boom, exit 54. We in the fucking trenches. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, boosted_villain. The goal is to make money, nigga. The goal is to get to the cheese. And my goal is, you know, as I'm trying to get it, I'm gonna show you how I'm getting it so you can get it too, nigga. You don't gotta hate on me, nigga. Fuck. We out. Anyway, man, it's your boy Boosted Villain, man. I'm out, man. Make sure you go to the gym. Make sure you get to the cheese. Put God first. And you'll be alright. Oh.